Greetings, Smart Bone. As I can see, we have a Word document right here in portrait. So we want to be looking at how we can add a landscape, right? So if you add a next document, it's gonna be portrait, but you want to add a landscape. So what we wanted to do, we want to select some of these text right here. I'm gonna block this text right here. Then I want to come all the way up here. If you notice, layout, when you click right here on layout, you notice orientation right here, margin. So I want to click right here on the margin. We're going to come all the way down here. Click on custom margin. Now this is what happened right here. Right, you want to click on landscape right there. And they're going to come all the way down here. Click. And notice right here it says selected text. You're going to click on that. Now when you click on that, you're going to come all the way where you say cancel. Okay, and you're going to click. If you notice right here, the document right here is selected text. Right there is landscape. Notice the top one right there is simple portrait. Right? Very important. If we want to select a portrait now, right, we're going to select a text with it now. But if we don't want to use the text now, we can use it otherwise. And it what we're gonna do, definitely. Can the cursor come all the way. If you notice right here, create the next one just like that. Good. So definitely very important. So what we can literally do, we can actually create different one with different with black text. I can create it without the text. So if I come right here, so and I go to the margin right here, I come on to custom margin. If I come right here, so and I click back here some portrait. And then I come right here and click right here, so this point forward. And then I click OK. You notice? Right underneath it, just the same. Yes, very important. So this is how you add a landscape document right here in your Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next.